Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to solve one interesting problem that is called convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and again Fahrenheit to Celsius. So this is very important formula conversion. Okay, so let me first create one file and okay, so the program for today is convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and vice versa in Python. Right, so let's first save this file and give some name Celsius to let Fahrenheit FAHR, right? So save this location and fine. So let's first understand what is the formula. Okay, so if already know what is the formula of this, so if you want to convert Celsius, first one Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, and what is the formula? F equal to 9 by 5. Okay, and this make into bracket equal to multiplication C and then plus 32, right? So this was for this one, and then Fahrenheit okay, so let's type this one FAHRENHEIT Fahrenheit to Celsius US. Okay, so the formula is equal to C equal to, let's again now 5 by 9. Okay, also you can deduce the formula from this one, just you have to reverse this one left side and then also it will go like that. Okay, so into F minus 32. Okay, so this is our formula. So let's first code we are going to write here. Okay, so this one. So let's define some function. So if you already know def, and let's call okay Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, so in this case what we have to pass, we have to pass C here. Okay, and now our formula F equal to, it will be 9 multiplications 9 divided by 5. Okay, and then multiplication C, okay, and then after we have to add 32, and then after return F, fine, and then after you can write any input what you have, okay. So let's take some, let's, now we are going to check our value, okay. So conversion, if Celsius is 25, okay, so result should be F should be this function and pass C here inside this function. Okay, so print in this format. So C degree Celsius is equal to okay. So this is our code, okay. So 25 degree Celsius is equal to 77 degree. Let's Fahrenheit, okay. Let's make it F and this is Celsius. Fine, for this was for this. Now we are performing the second one, okay. So 2, let's make this neat and clean, okay. So now let's define some function, and if want to give some function we can define like, okay, and then inside this we can pass F, okay, and then our result C should be 5 by 9 multiplication F minus 32, right. So this one and return TUR and return C. Now let's run the code test. We are going to test here. So if F equal to 77, C should be so F degree Fahrenheit is equal to C degree Celsius. Right, so this one, So let's try in both case. Okay, so 25 degree 25, not which is in this day. So 25 degree Celsius is equal to 77 degree Fahrenheit, and 77 degree Fahrenheit equal to 25 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is our conversion. So this is very basic program, but just you have to, in this case, just you have to memorize this formula and how to convert this formula into some coding form. Okay, so in this way. So this was the return type, and then we are storing value on different parameter, right? So you can use this function by passing the temperature value what you want to convert as an argument. Okay, so what you want to do from this one. Okay, so this one is a very simple program. Maybe you are just want to more, or if you have some doubt on this program, you can comment down below. I will try to answer on this program. Okay, or maybe if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. I will answer your query. Okay, so that's all everyone for this video. So let's meet in another one. If you have also needs more such videos, so you can comment down below what are the more question I should cover. So also you can comment down the questions. I will think and convert into the code. So thank you for watching.